everyone, do you want to easily import custom links in bulk as a CSV file, saving you time and effort when managing your link redirects? Today we will see how you can import short links in CSV file format using BetterLinks. Let's get started. Make sure you have installed and activated BetterLinks on your WordPress website. First, we will create links, export them, and show how to import them. From your WordPress dashboard sidebar, click on BetterLinks. Click on Add New Link button. Give a suitable title and add a proper description of your link. Set the redirect type. Select the target URL for which you want to create the short link. Next, customize the shortened link. Select the category and from the Tags drop-down menu, add the tags for the link. On the other side, you can customize your link more from the link options. Select the advanced link settings and dynamic redirects if you want to customize the link more. Hit the Publish button to save the changes. Now you can see your link is created on your BetterLinks dashboard. Next, go to the Settings option of BetterLinks from the sidebar. After that, go to the Tools tab. From the Choose an option you want to export, click the Export File button. In the exported Excel CSV file, you will find all the links that you have created in BetterLinks. Customize any part of the link and adjust it wherever you want to see updates. Then go to the file from the Excel file and go to the Download option. Select the CSV file and download it. Now let's go back to the BetterLinks dashboard. Then click on Choose File button and upload the CSV file to the BetterLinks dashboard. After that, select the Import File button. Within a few seconds, it will be imported successfully. Go back to the Manage Links option and you can see your link is customized as you did in the CSV file, right inside the dashboard. That is how you can import short links in CSV format from the BetterLinks dashboard. Did you like the video? Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.